In this video, I'll show you how to upgrade to WhatsApp business account or how to change WhatsApp to business account. It's actually a very simple tutorial that works the same way on any iPhone and on any Android device. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, make sure you give me a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. So what you want to do is actually go on the App Store or the Google Play Store on an Android device, click on search, and you want to type in WhatsApp Business. WhatsApp Business. Here it is. And after you install it, you want to open it and it will ask for a few things. First, it will ask for your phone. I don't want to show you my phone on video. So it will ask for your phone. Then for some permissions, you want to write your business name, add a picture, and you get the notification on your WhatsApp, on your regular public WhatsApp, and then it will be all good. If this video helped you out, give me a like, and I want to see you in the next one.